How to fix lagging problem on iPhone. If your iPhone is lagging, then this video is a cert guide to help you out. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve performance issue. So simply press and hold the side button and either volume button until the power slider appears. Slide to power off, then turn it back on. If this solves, then you are good to go. If it is not solving, then tap on settings on your device. From there, you will see general options. Simply tap on that. At last, you will see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and do reset all settings. Once you do reset all of your settings, your lagging issue on your iPhone will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.